Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa. If any of you guys are new here, please take a minute to subscribe to my channel, give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy this video. It's gonna be a room tour. It's one that I've never done before, so I'm just gonna show you guys around my room. You know how these videos work. And before I jump into this video, I just want to, or not really, but I will mention that I know I've been gone for quite some time now, but I'm finally starting to get everything back together. It's been maybe since November probably that I've been gone, but I'm back making new videos. Again, it's my 2018 room tour. And just let me know what you guys think of the video. If you have any questions about anything, just leave a comment. I know pretty much where everything is from in my room, so I'll probably be able to tell you, or just like big things, I'll leave a link down so you can go find it yourself because we all have computers here. So yeah, let's just jump into the video. So this is the outside, the door to my room, and when you walk in, basically you walk into this. I recently just redid my room, so this is pretty much a basic overview of it. I will discuss this in a second when we get there, but let's start on this side. So yep, this is a mirror that I bought from Target. It has like a brown wood kind of like look to it. I have this green little, I'm gonna call it a garland, around the edges. And these lights, you can obviously right there. And I got this from Target. I think these little twinkly ones are it's like $5. So it's really cheap and inexpensive. If we move over here, just step back so you can see it. This little shelf here, I also got this from Target, and this just houses just a lot of random things. First, I have this box. A lot of you have probably got this over the past year. It's just the birthday gift from Sephora. This one is the Drunk Elephant set. It comes with the cream and the face wash. I was actually thinking of doing a review on that because I actually really do enjoy that. Just the sample size. I have my Ray-Bans there. This Sea Talk spray. This is from Bath & Body Works. It just has like a really fresh scent. A few different like perfumes. This one's actually from Lush. I have this. It just has like random stuff. Travelo, some matches. This is where pretty much all of my jewelry is. As you can see, I have tons of bracelets that FYI I do not wear. On top here, I just have just the random body stuff, deodorant, face cream, more deodorant, body sprays, whatever. This is probably the best part, more liked part of my room actually. But before we get there, let me just go underneath. I have, surprise, surprise, what every person, I was gonna say teenage girl, but I am not a teenage girl, that has in their room a record player. Everybody and their grandmother has a Crosley. I do not. Right now I do have Maren Morris's Hero on here, and this little thing here, I actually bought this from Home Goods. It originally came in a gray color, but I went to Michael's, picked up a couple bottles of acrylic paint and painted a pink. So oh, and this is also not the original knobs for it either. I think I have it in here. Oh yeah, this is the paint that I used. Yeah, this is the original knob. And as you can see, around the edges is super sloppy, but you don't see that, and I don't open this drawer, so who cares? On the bottom, obviously, it's where I have the records that I currently have. It's only like 4. I have Maren Morris's Hero. I saw her in concert. She's really good. James Bay, Electric Light. This is his newest album. Haim, Days Are Gone. Funny story, when I first heard about Haim, I did not like their music at all, but it grew on me rather quickly, and now they are one of my favorite bands. And then I have Khalid, American Teen. Saw him as well in concert last year. Honestly, if he was at a different venue, it probably would have been better. Wasn't one of my favorites. This is just a random violin. Here I have a stool. I think this just has like a blanket or something in there. But that was from IKEA. It was like $12. And then I have 2 teddy bears. This is actually a wire holder, like a cord holder. I actually have another one in my room that you'll see soon. On the floor, it's a space heater. I do not have an actual radiator in my room. Did not want one, but there is a spot to put it, which you'll probably be able to recognize in a bit. Over here, I have my television. This clock, which I really like, this is from Amazon. It's like a digital clock, but when the lights are off, you can see the time really bright. I'm blind as a bat, so when I'm sleeping on my bed, or actually when I wake up, I can look over, see the time, know it's time to get up, whatever. I have this remote here. I don't think it's connected right now, but it controls the lights behind. Yeah, I think I unplugged it, but yeah, I have like an LED light strip behind my desk. That's what that remote controls. I have this little mouse, whatever. Some shot glasses here. This one is the Big Duck on Long Island. Super Bowl. I think, what is this, Jamaica? These two are gifts. Yeah, these two are gifts. One is from Jamaica, one's from Canada. Up here, I just have a little thing that I made a couple years ago. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna be one of those people. A Fujifilm Instax. Polaroid and Fujifilm are completely different brands. Let me be correct when I say that. This is a little plant mister that's from Target. I used to have little like succulent plants and little cactuses. Do you know anybody that can kill a cactus? Well, now you do, because I've killed several cactuses. I have another shot glass here. This just has some Dum-Dums, lollipops that I'm never gonna eat because these flavors are disgusting. A JBL speaker on my desk, light, laptop, candle. This, I just found a quote on Pinterest. Let me know if you guys know where this is from. 95% of you should know. A piggy bank. This one actually has quite a bit of money in it. Just a little secret there. More lighters, plant. I actually really like these. I think they're from Trader Joe's, just ginger chews. Okay, so down here, I have my big camera with the microphone that I used to film. Here I just keep my makeup and stuff, just random things. High school yearbook, don't know why that's just sitting in the corner, and behind that is my laptop case. This little bin just has a bunch of random stuff. I was shipping a ton of things out on Poshmark, so I have like bubble wrap, extra candles, Coke, just random stuff. Okay, so moving over here, this is where my bed is. This wall is kind of simple, but I do have a few Polaroids up on the wall just to fill in the space. I have like these colorful lights just over the window, and this is my bed. So just random. I used to have like all white, but now I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but my sheets are pink. So I have a couple of pink pillows and the pink bed sheet just to give a little bit more color to the room. This little corner, I have this shelf. If you guys, okay, so this is just something super random I got at a random store. The only reason I bought it is because the frame was gold and it matched my room. The picture is very ugly though. Then I have some essential oils, just random assortment of scents. This is actually a roller, so you can use this to like relieve tension on shoulders and stuff. And then another piggy bank. This one is a unicorn that actually is filled to the top, so I do not have any more room in there. That's why I have that one over there. Okay, coming back. Oh, let me just address this. This is an air conditioning unit. Because in the summer, obviously, it gets extremely hot. This blanket over the air conditioner just stops all the cold air from coming in because nobody has time to take that out every single year. And without that blanket, then it would be an ice box in my room. That's also why I have the space heater. So in this corner, I have a side table, which actually has a mirrored top. And let's cover that up because it's really dirty. And I have this wireless charger for my phone, water bottle because who doesn't have a water bottle, and my Yeti, which actually has Coke in it from last night. This little tray just has like tweezers and just everyday jewelry pieces, and then I have a lamp on the side. This is the newest addition to my room, which is just a chair, which is also a light pink color, which I was really trying to brighten up the colors of my room because at first it was pretty much just super bland, just white and gray. So I started adding more pink to it. Right here with all of these wires, I'm trying to like do something with that because I just don't like the look of it and how they're just all over the place basically. Above the chair is nothing but these string lights. So what I actually want to do is find something to like put up there. I'm pretty okay with it being like bare right now, but I want to change that up soon. Maybe like some art or something. Random guitar. I do have two closets, this one and that one. This one just has, oh, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the wind is like howling extremely like hard right now. It's blowing very hard. But anyway, so this closet has like all my regular clothes, like everyday clothes, sweaters, stuff like that. I'm not gonna show it to you because it's quite a mess right now. This one just has outerwear and shoes and just a bunch of random stuff in my room that I don't want out. That's in there. And behind my door, just bath towel, random stuff, sports bra, whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Let's give you a quick once over. So like that's everything. Yeah, my room is not very big. It's quite small actually, but I make the best of the space that I have, and this is pretty much everything that I own right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, and one more thing I wanted to show you. You see the string lights that are around the room? They're actually clap censored, if that's what you call it. So like basically, yeah, so basically if you clap twice, it's not that clapper, it's just a random brand that I got on Amazon, of course. So yeah, as you can see, like all the lights come on. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. I will definitely be back with some more very soon. I'm sorry I left you guys hanging for so long, it seems. Again, before you click out or leave, watch something else, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the thumbs up if you like the video, of course. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.